Hi, it's Benjamin from Safe Drive Solutions, and today we're going to talk about the IROAD X11 dual dash camera. So, first things first, it comes with a front camera. This front camera is a 2K resolution with a SONY Starvis image sensor and HDR high dynamic range. It is easily adjustable, just like this here. It has 3M tape on the top. Our kit also comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card. On the side of the unit here is the power button, so you can actually turn it on or off. On the back side of the unit, we actually have power cable, the USB input for running the cord from the front to the back for the rear camera. And then we also have the GPS antenna plug-in, all easily at the top. It also comes with an external GPS, hardwire cable so that you can get parking mode, a rear camera, which is also 2K in resolution, also Sony Starvis, and also high dynamic range. The other thing is the front and rear camera are both 155 degree wide viewing angle. I use this unit personally in my own vehicle. Anybody who purchases the product online, we also include a free cigarette lighter cable, just in case you don't have access to an installer or capability of installing it through the hardwire. Anyways, if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out, but that's what's in the box.